What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to download and install TikTok on your laptop and PC, and trust me, the process is quite simple. All you just have to do is to head over to your laptop or your PC. Now there are basically two ways you can go about doing this. First things first, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. Then go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store, which is basically over here on my laptop. If you cannot find it over here, you can come over to the search bar on your Windows laptop or PC, then go ahead and search for Store. Over here you should be able to find the Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and open it up. Now once the Microsoft Store loads, you basically just want to come over to the search bar at the top over here, then go ahead and search for TikTok, and over here you can literally find the TikTok app. Go ahead and select it just like so, and then click on the get button. Give it some few seconds and the TikTok app will be downloaded and installed into your laptop or PC. Now this is actually the first method to get TikTok on your laptop or PC. Another method is to basically just open up any browser on your laptop or PC. Now once your browser loads, at the top search bar you want to go ahead and search for TikTok, and then go ahead and click on the official TikTok website, which is basically over here. Select it just like so, and now once the TikTok app loads, at the top you're going to see the option to get this app, which is literally over here. Go ahead and click on PC app just like so, and then just click on install, and automatically again this is actually going to download the TikTok app into your laptop or PC. And now if you come over to the home of your laptop or PC, you should now be able to find the TikTok app downloaded and installed. So you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just double clicking on it. Also from over here you can choose to sign into the TikTok app by simply clicking on sign in, or you can just go ahead and start watching TikTok videos on your laptop or PC with ease. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.